have a sous chef today. Okay, so today we're gonna be making this delicious sauce for Sydney, who does not like raw broccoli, who only likes cooked broccoli.
And Ruby stuffed animals.
And we have his stuffed animal.
Kiwi and Buddy.
Okay, so tell me what you like about this sauce that I'm about to make.
It tastes good.
Yeah? Okay. So what we're going to put in the sauce
is sesame seeds,
flavored soy sauce, which
sauce,
soba tsuyu, and this is made without any MSG, so you have to, kind of read the label, and sometimes you'll notice that there's MSG and some other artificial ingredients that we don't like.
and there's mayo or avocado. Any one of them works.
Okay.
I would rather prefer mayo.
I would prefer avocado. Okay, so this is how we're gonna make the sauce. Cindy, do you want to show us how to make the sauce?
Yep. Alright.
Okay.
Put these guys down there.
All right. So.
So first, take the sesame seeds.
Mm-hmm.
Pour them.
Oh. Okay. Perfect. I'm gonna say that's about 1.5 tablespoons. And then next, what are we gonna do?
So we grab this, stir, probably get it like on Amazon or Mitsu or something like that.
Oh, okay.
And
by the way, I will
stir it
put.
up.
Nice. So this is a sesame seed crusher, right?
Yeah.
And this bowl is really fantastic because the bowl, if you see here, let's show them.
A lot of lines.
Let's show them the inside of this bowl. So it's specifically made to crush sesame seeds.
Because it has all these lines on the end.
That's right.
And when it gets crushed, the lines split it in half.
Yeah. Okay, good. So Sydney's my sous chef today. You're doing a really good job.
So when it's done, it should look something like this. Okay, now you use like a spoon.
That's about
And
a
then-
teaspoon.
Teaspoon.
So
Then you grab the mayo.
okay. So maybe 1 more teaspoon.
And then
So the way I prefer to make the sauce is with avocado. What? But you love avocado.
you know,
And we're gonna put in about tablespoon.
a tablespoon.
No, we're putting in about teaspoon. Okay.
Wow. And then you mix it all about.
Okay, so let's look at the consistency here. Are you looking? Okay, it seems a little bit thick, so we want to add a little more of the flavored soy sauce, which is called tsuyu. Okay, we don't want to add too much, so that was maybe about 1/4 of a teaspoon.
So when you're done, you grab some broccoli and dip it in. And
So I think we have to give this
10 out of 10.
ooh, 10 out of 10. Well, I think we need to name this sauce. What do you think we should name it?
Sauce. Sauce. Boring sauce.
No.